Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the efficient management of a college application tracker in Airtable. First up, we'll start by creating a new base by clicking the Add a Base button on the main screen. We do this because a new base will serve as our clean slate where we'll build our college application tracker. Next up is designing our table structure. Click on the Add a Table button and name it Colleges. Here, create fields for college name, application deadline, status, and notes. This helps us because it provides a clear, organized layout of all the key data we need to keep track of for our applications. Once we've laid out our table structure, it's time to populate it with data. Click on the plus button on each column and start entering the data for every college you plan to apply to. The reason we do this is it allows us to have a visual overview of all our applications in one place. Now that we've done that, let's assign some color-coded labels to our status field. This will help us quickly identify which applications are pending, accepted, or rejected. To do this, click on the Status Field settings, select Single Select, and add your labels. This matters because it enhances our tracker's visual effectiveness and helps us stay organized. The final step is to set up reminders for application deadlines. Navigate to the Application Deadline field and select Date as the field type. Now, click on Reminder and set it up to send you an alert a week before each deadline. This helps us because it ensures we never miss an important application deadline. And there you have it. You've now got a fully functional college application tracker on Airtable. Remember, staying organized and on top of deadlines is key during the college application process. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your applications.